Look at what she got with her laptop. Hey guys, so today little Rosie is going to be unboxing her brand new MacBook Pro. This is a very, very big day for her because she has been waiting
forever.
Since she was like 7 years old. She's been asking for a laptop, and there's various reasons why I have not gotten her one. And it's not my pockets, guys. I just really thought that 7, that's too young to have a laptop. And 8 and 9 and 10, and it's like every year there was another excuse. But now she finally got what she wanted.
Well, I'm in high school now, so it's like I need a computer.
Yeah, for sure. She really needs it. And I'm going to teach her all the things she needs to know.
I got a MacBook Pro.
And she got one made specifically for her. So she had to wait like a week and a half because we chose to add a few things to it, like memory and some turbo boost to make her computer faster.
So can I open it?
How do you feel?
I feel happy. I'm ready to open it. So I've been waiting like all day.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, she got the base gray, not the silver. This
How it looks like. Oh my gosh, I finally have my own computer. This is so nice.
Nice.
Wow, it's pretty big actually.
Let me see. So this is the 13-inch?
13-inch, yeah.
Not the 15 because she doesn't need that huge one. Ooh, this is nice. This feels good. Very thin.
Yes.
Here, I'll let you open it.
Open it?
Like open it.
Oh my god. Okay. Okay, this is the first thing.
Oh, it's on.
What
Really nice.
the heck?
It's like powering on automatically. She didn't even do anything. She didn't even press the button.
And then I think here it comes with the charger and the
that's
charger.
the charger. That's it? That's
Yeah.
all that comes in the box?
So that comes in the box.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Press the return key. Just press return. Siri is speaking to her now.
Oh my goodness, that's great. Oh, look at how it looks in the mirror.
It looks so cool. So she has the touch bar.
Oh, see, look at that right
Yeah,
here. It's
so
like
cool.
you touch it to go up.
She can turn up the volume on there. So she is putting her finger ID. That's crazy. Mine did not have that. It's your forefinger?
It doesn't matter whichever.
Oh. That's pretty cool. Can I put mine?
No.
Why not? Set up Apple Pay.
Should I do that now?
Yeah.
Mama, you hear my stomach, Kaylee? I'm so sorry. Don't show my password.
Look at how happy she is.
I'm so happy. It says my MacBook is being used.
So how do you feel about your computer so far in these last 5 minutes?
What the heck is that?
What the heck? Is something playing? Something's playing. It's pretty cool. That's the touch screen thing that we were talking about. Just to learn how to use this.
Look at that. That's so...
What? Click on the sound? No, do it with
Oh. Sorry. Ooh, look at that background.
Nice. What's the first thing you're gonna do?
I don't really know. I haven't thought it through.
Come on now.
Good
Question, how do you feel so far?
I'm happy. I just want to watch Netflix now.
Oh, that's what you got. I thought it
I'm
was
just
for
kidding. It's
school.
for school. It's for everything I need to shop on clothes, to watch TV stuff, school, Google Docs, Google Classroom, everything. Thanks
again
for
very
watching.
much, Tito. Look at what she got with her laptop.
Got some free headphones.
Beats. Okay.
3D.
Not only headphones, Beats Studio 3 wireless.